Good morning, it's Diane with So Charming Quilts, and I'm here to introduce another quilt reveal to you today. This is Radiant Stars. It features the Kona Cotton Color of the Year. So for 2022, Robert Kaufman has decided to feature this beautiful color Cosmos. So this is our quilt. It is made with all the Kona Cotton solids. It also uses Cosmos, Gumdrop, Ballerina, and Petal, along with a white background. We feature all of the Kona Cotton solids in our studio. We have 365 colors of Kona Cotton. If you've been following along with us, we are working on the 2022 calendar series with Robert Kaufman. We've done January and February, and we're getting ready to reveal March here pretty soon. It's almost finished. You can download the patterns on our website, www.socharmingquilts.com. You can also follow us on Instagram or Facebook and give us a shout out. We also have a YouTube channel which you can subscribe to. And I believe that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.